Hello everyone, Saurav here from EnglishWise with another PTE topic. Today we are going to discuss about essay writing in PTE. The reason why we came up with an essay writing video so later part of our channel and everything. See, the first thing that everyone has in their mind when they give an English language exam, oh man, I will have to write an essay. In PTE exam, essay is not that important. Your entire PTE exam is 90, 90, 90, 90, which is 360 points. Your essay is worth only 15 points out of that 360. Now, I'm not saying 15 is a less point. 15 could be your deciding factor, it could be your deciding point. Essay is not the heart or the main part of your PTE exam, unlike any other English exam. Let me first explain you the marking criteria and then we'll explain how we can manipulate that or how we can create a hack out of it. The marking criteria of essay goes like this. 3 points you have for your content, 2 points you have for your formation. Your content means how well have you expressed the essay, how well you have understood the idea of the essay, how well you are addressing each and every part of the question in your essay. Here, you need to note this down or you need to remember you are marked by a machine, you're marked by a computer. All computer does for your content is try finding keywords, try finding words related to your essay. Even if you're drifting away from your question, sometimes you may be able to get 3 on 3 on your content. So content is something you may not focus much on, but yeah, still you have to stay relevant to the topic, you have to stick to the topic so that you have more keywords related to the topic. Second point is your formation. Formation is very easy. You have to write between 200 to 300 words and you get 2 on 2 in your formation. If you write something between 100 to 200 words, you get 1 point. 300 plus, you get 1 point. If you exceed 350, you get no points. If you are less than 100, you get no points in your formation. So that's simple with your content and formation. One more thing that you need to make sure about your content is if you write an essay which is completely irrelevant. That means, let's say an essay is on climate change and you wrote your essay on completely irrelevant topic, let's say on animal cruelty. So in that case, if computer detects no content, your entire essay score becomes 0. It won't check for your formation. It won't check for any other enabling skill. So make sure that you write something which is even a bit relevant to the topic so that you can get points for other module. Now coming to the other set of scores in your essay, 3 points as we discussed for content, 2 points for your formation, 2 points for your grammar, 2 points for your spellings, 2 points for your vocabulary. So if you don't make any grammatical error, you get 2 on 2. If you don't make any spelling error, you get 2 on 2. And for vocabulary, if all the words in your essay are used in proper context, you get 2 on 2. And last 4 points are the easiest to get. These 4 points are for your structure development. Structure means your essay should be in 4 to 5 paragraphs. There should be an introduction, body paragraph, conclusion. So if you're using any preset templates, your structure points are already there. You're not writing in bullet points, you're writing it in paragraph form and everything. And other is your linguistic range. Linguistic range here, yes, you will have to use new words. You cannot use the same words over and over again and like that. But then again, these all issues can be solved because there are not many essays in PTE, and also if you're using any preset format or anything like that, these things can be easily solved. Now over here, when you're writing an essay, all you have to do is change your attitude a bit. Whenever you are writing an essay for any other exam or for your university or for your college, school exam, we are writing it to impress a person. But always remember, in case of PTE, there is no real human being who's checking your paper. So all you have to write is to avoid mistakes. You can write a very simple essay, you can follow a format, you can maybe drift away a bit from the question or not exactly answer the question. You can include fake examples in your essay. All this is allowed. Only thing you have to make sure is you avoid mistake. This was just a brief overview on your essay. We have given you a direction, but still if you would like to know more on your essays or how to fit it into a structure, or if you want quick feedback on your essays, you can write everything on comment and we do read the comments. Make sure you subscribe because we'll be coming up with new videos related to all set of topics in PTE. Hope you liked the video. If you did, just press the like button. Thank you.